Exploring the mystical dimensions of the Sakla Sanhita, unveiling Mandala Kram and Astaka Krama. Abstract. The Sakla Sanhita, an essential division of the Rig Veda, holds profound spiritual insights and a complex organizational structure. This article delves into the intricacies of the Sakla Sanhita, focusing on its unique compositions known as Mandala Kram and Astaka Krama. By exploring these distinct frameworks, we unravel the poetic, spiritual, and organizational brilliance embedded within the Rig Veda. Introduction. The Sakla Sanhita, one of the foremost Sahits, collections, of the Rig Veda, constitutes a repository of ancient hymns and verses that have enriched Hindu spirituality for millennia. Within this vast treasure trove of poetic and philosophical brilliance lie intriguing organizational patterns known as Mandala Kram and Astaka Krama, offering windows into the ancient Vedic mindscape. The Sakla Sanhita. A brief overview. The Sakla Sanhita, considered one of the most widely recited versions of the Rig Veda, consists of hymns devoted to various deities, cosmic forces, and philosophical themes. The collection is arranged into 10 books, known as mandalas, each addressing distinct subjects while collectively echoing the eternal symphony of cosmic interconnectedness. Mandala Krama. The poetic journey. Mandala Kram is a unique approach to organizing the hymns within the Sakla Sanhita. This arrangement sequences the hymns in a way that reflects the poetic journey of a seeker from worldly desires to the pursuit of spiritual realization. Starting with hymns addressing deities associated with material life, the arrangement progressively leads to hymns of philosophical significance, emphasizing the seeker's evolution toward higher consciousness. Astaka Krama. The eightfold structure, Astaka Kram, is another organizational framework that groups the hymns into 8 divisions. This arrangement presents a holistic tapestry of Vedic wisdom, encompassing diverse aspects of life, from rituals and cosmic forces to cosmology and philosophical contemplations. The Astaka Kram showcases the multidimensional nature of the Rig Veda and its relevance to various aspects of human existence. Symbolism and spiritual implications. Mandala Kram and Astaka Kram are not mere organizational tools but repositories of symbolism and spiritual significance. They mirror the journey of a seeker's soul through life's complexities, serving as a guide for attaining higher truths. The progression from the mundane to the profound reflects the Vedic understanding of the spiritual path. Continued relevance and legacy. The organizational brilliance of Mandala Kram and Astaka Kram transcends time, offering insights that resonate even in the modern era. These arrangements symbolize the eternal quest for truth, the human yearning for transcendence, and the intricate interplay between the material and the spiritual. Conclusion. The Sakla Sanhita, with its intriguing organizational structures of Mandala Kram and Astaka Krama, invites us to explore the Vedic cosmos with a keen eye. These frameworks remind us that the Rig Veda is not just a collection of hymns but a profound journey of consciousness, symbolizing the intricate dance between the seeker's inner world and the cosmic order. In deciphering these organizational patterns, we glimpse the wisdom of ancient seers who wove a tapestry of poetic brilliance and spiritual profundity, encapsulating the essence of the Rig Veda's timeless message.